The famous Chinese old master once said, "Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, for it becomes your destiny." Our thoughts shape our reality. They have the power to build or break us, to propel us forward or hold us back. Learning to control our mind and thoughts is the key to unlocking our full potential and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. In this video, we will discuss the 7 powerful strategies to help you take charge of your mind and thoughts and create the life you desire. But before we delve into that, let me ask you to watch this video till the end, as each strategy is important and you would not like to miss any. And if you like this video, do press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your valuable comments below, as we would like to hear your perspective on this very important topic. So then, here are the 7 ways to control your mind and thoughts. 1. Challenge negative thinking. Someone famously said, "You have the power to heal your life, and you need to know that." We think so often that we are helpless, but we're not. We always have the power of our minds. Claim and consciously use your power. Negative thoughts can weigh us down and hold us back from reaching our full potential. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself if they are really true or if they are just assumptions or fears. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Challenging negative thinking involves actively questioning and reframing the pessimistic or self-defeating thoughts that can hold us back from realizing our true potential. It's about recognizing that our thoughts are not always accurate reflections of reality and choosing to challenge the validity of those negative beliefs. Instead of allowing negative thoughts to dictate our actions and emotions, we can choose to question their accuracy and replace them with more positive and empowering perspectives. By challenging negative thinking, we reclaim our power to shape our own narrative and create a reality that aligns with our deepest aspirations. It's a transformative practice that invites us to embrace a mindset of resilience, self-belief, and possibility, opening the door to new opportunities and a more fulfilling life. Remember the famous Buddhist quotation, "You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated." In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeats so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, how you can still come out of it. 2. Set clear intentions. Setting clear intentions is a powerful way to direct your thoughts and energy toward what you want to create in your life. Write down your goals and aspirations and visualize yourself achieving them. Focus on the steps you need to take to make your dreams a reality and believe in your ability to succeed. Remember the words of Napoleon Hill, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." By setting intentions, we harness the creative power of our minds to shape our reality and bring our visions to life. It's like charting a course for our journey, with each intention serving as a guiding star that illuminates the path ahead. When we set clear intentions, we activate the law of attraction, drawing into our lives the people, opportunities, and resources that will help us manifest our dreams. Intentions also empower us to stay focused and motivated, even in the face of obstacles or setbacks, reminding us of the infinite potential that resides within us. As Deepak Chopra beautifully articulates, intention is the starting point of every dream. It is the creative power that fulfills all of our needs, whether for money, relationships, spiritual awakening, or love. 3. Practice mindfulness. There is a famous Buddhist quotation which says, "Realize deeply that the present moment is all you ever have. Make the now the primary focus of your life." Practicing mindfulness involves tuning into the present moment with full awareness and acceptance, without judgment or attachment to thoughts or emotions. It's about cultivating a deep sense of presence and connection to the here and now, allowing yourself to fully experience each moment as it unfolds. Mindfulness empowers you to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. like watching clouds passing by in the sky without clinging to any one of them. By practicing mindfulness, you develop the ability to respond to life's challenges with clarity and calmness, rather than reacting impulsively out of habit or fear. It's a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace, reducing stress, and fostering a greater sense of joy and gratitude for the simple moments that make life truly meaningful. As a Zen quotation beautifully puts it, mindfulness means paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally. 4. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude has the power to shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, whether it's the love of family and friends, the beauty of nature, or the simple pleasures of life. Cultivating gratitude can help you maintain a positive outlook. As a famous quotation says, "Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never, ever have enough." Gratitude is a transformative force that elevates our spirits, nourishes our souls, and fosters a deeper sense of connection to the beauty and abundance of life. By actively acknowledging the gifts that surround us, a loving relationship, a breathtaking sunset, a warm meal, a kind gesture, we open our hearts to the immense richness and magic that permeate every moment. Gratitude reminds us that even in the midst of challenges, there is always something to be thankful for, offering a beacon of light to guide us through the darkest of times. As someone said, gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. It can turn a meal into a feast, a house into a home, a stranger into a friend. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. The company we keep has a profound impact on our thoughts and attitudes. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Limit your exposure to negative influences, whether it's the news, social media, or toxic relationships. As a famous quotation goes, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surrounding yourself with positivity is a conscious choice to curate an environment that uplifts and inspires you, both internally and externally. It means surrounding yourself with people who radiate positivity, support your dreams, and encourage your growth. It also involves immersing yourself in uplifting content, whether it's books, music, podcasts, or art, that nourishes your soul and expands your perspective. By intentionally choosing positivity in every aspect of your life, you create a fertile ground for joy, creativity, and fulfillment to flourish. Positive energy is contagious, and when you surround yourself with positivity, you not only elevate your own well-being, but also uplift those around you, creating a ripple effect of love and light in the world. 6. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially when your thoughts turn critical or self-deprecating. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Remember that we are all human, and we all make mistakes. Embrace your imperfections and celebrate your progress. As someone said, self-compassion is simply giving the same kindness to ourselves that we would give to others. Self-compassion invites us to cultivate a nurturing inner dialogue, replacing self-criticism with words of encouragement and support. It's about recognizing that we are deserving of love and compassion, not because of our achievements or external validation, but simply because we are inherently worthy of kindness and understanding. When we practice self-compassion, we cultivate resilience, foster emotional well-being, and deepen our capacity for empathy and connection with others. Let's embrace self-compassion as a guiding light on our journey toward healing, growth, and self-discovery. 7. Take control of your environment. Your physical environment can have a significant impact on your thoughts and emotions. Taking control of your environment is a transformative act of reclaiming power over the spaces in which you live, work, and thrive. It involves intentionally creating an environment that nourishes your mind, body, and spirit, and supports your overall well-being. Whether it's decluttering your physical space, surrounding yourself with objects that inspire joy and creativity, or setting boundaries to protect your energy and time, taking control of your environment empowers you to design a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. By cultivating a harmonious and uplifting environment, you create a sanctuary for growth, transformation, and self-discovery. As someone said, the objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that environment. So let's embrace the power of our surroundings to cultivate a life of abundance, beauty, and fulfillment. In conclusion, mastering your thoughts is not always easy, but it is essential for creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and happiness. By practicing mindfulness, challenging negative thinking, cultivating gratitude, setting intentions, surrounding yourself with positivity, practicing self-compassion, and taking control of your environment, you can take charge of your thoughts and transform your life. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be." So decide today to become the master of your thoughts and the architect of your destiny.